Hello guys, foxy weather here, and as you can see this road's got significantly worse. Look at all this water just gushing here. It's completely flooded this whole field now. Let's watch another car come in. Oh my god. How deep this is. Very deep water. This is mad. Oh, this light's gone off. As you can see, this Golf is trying to get through. Oh, now the lights come back on. Guess the water's getting to the electrical circuit. That's some very deep water. As you can see, this whole bit here is flooded. Look at this. Very deep water. Oh, and that's gone off again. Oh my god, this whole bit's flooded. It wasn't, there was patches of green. There was none. Whoa, Jesus Christ. Crap, almost got splashed. As you can see right here. Wow. Yeah, it's got a lot worse. Wow. I'll have to watch this car go through. Look at this one here. I'm about to see a bike go through. Oh my god. Whoa! Get out. Damn, that's some very deep water. Oh, the Audi's. Oh no, the Audi's done. Oh my god, the Audi's screwed. I can smell the burning smoke from it. No, it's smoking. Oh my god. I feel so bad for that Audi driver. No, that's an Audi TT. Can't believe that's gone. That Audi is gone. No. Now we caught that on camera. R.I.P. Audi TT. That's an 18 or 19 plate. Nah. Look at this. It's madness. God, I'm actually quite scared to go to this bridge. Oh my god. Severely flooded. There you go. So you're taking pictures. An Audi TT, 19 plate Audi TT went so fast and it's gone.
What, as in?
No, it went in and it just, all smoke just exploded. So I feel sorry for the guy.
Well, my husband is a bit of a flood. Oh,
Oh really?
He's a bit of a flood Like, he'll always come and...
Oh, Sam, I love it. It's so interesting.
Yeah, but he came to work this way this morning. He didn't have to. He
Oh,
could have
yeah?
gone down the A45.
Ah, true.
And he came through, and he had his window down to take a photograph. Somebody went past on the other side.
Oh, I was so close to getting splashed. Luckily, I didn't.
Like I said to him, it's calmer.
Oh, yeah, it's got worse, the flooding has. Yeah, that's why I love Woolston. You get nice people. Oh, man. Can't believe the Audi. The Audi's just... Oh, man. Audi TT 19 or 18 plate. Gone. Just gone. It got up and then it kind of stopped and managed to pull onto the side bit. Oh, you can't really see well because it's so dark. Oh, there you go. You can't see them hit here. Oh, man. But yeah, parts of the field's flooded. So yeah, it's been so interesting. So now we know flooding's got worse. The flooding has indeed got worse. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been so interesting, like, it's been mad. Then I just saw a bat.